What's going on? Nick, MHR Offroad. Today we're going to get this thing to run. So in the last video, talked about getting this Jeep, how I acquired it, where it came from, some things it needs, some things that was already done to it. In this one, I want to try to get it running. So I'm gonna start with fuel pump. So we're gonna go through the back, see what parts that came with this Jeep, stuff that I might need to order. Once we go through and verify that there is a fuel pump back there, we will then drop the tank, try to get those fuel pumps swapped, check for a fuel filter inline, something just to make sure we can clean out anything that might be clogged, restricting fuel pressure up here, and hopefully put money on that's what is going wrong. Without really diving into it, could be a bad sensor. When I hooked a fuel gauge up to this, it was only reading 20 psi, which these 4.0s should run roughly around in the 40s for the fuel injection ones. So to me, that's where I need to work. So that is my first plan of attack. I'm actually going to get, I believe, my son and daughter, if not just my son. He's going to help me work on this, so you'll see him in this video. I'm going to try to just do a montage, music over, of just kind of getting this out. Not going to really do an instructional video, just watch me do it. So with that being said, we're going to go to the back. We're going to get the back unloaded, see if I can find that fuel pump, see what parts he actually gave us, see what's back there, get it emptied out, and then we'll go from there. Let's go back there. there it is. As you saw, I had my daughter and my son help me, kind of just have them help me put it in, and they actually went with me for the test drive. As you can see, it's dark now. We have driven around. It's running and driving great. So I think that was all it needed to get it back going. I'm very impressed with how peppy this thing is. Comparing it to the Cherokee, same engine, just automatic stick. I think this has 411 gears, and I think I either have 355 or 373, which re-gearing was an option, but I just haven't done it in my Cherokee. This thing moves. There's a like I said, there's a couple little things I want to start working on it. I have a bunch of stuff Chris gave me. The AC is probably the next big thing, just because I'd like to go ahead and knock that out. I also forgot he gave me the whole rear disc conversion kit for this, so maybe you slap that on. I think we're gonna end this one. So thanks for watching, everyone. And if you have any ideas or suggestions, something that's cool that I should do to this, please leave it down in the comment. Let me know, and maybe we'll do it. If you got a color in mind, maybe open right now. If someone's got a cool color, I got some in mind, but I'll listen. Just anything anybody thinks that I should do, just drop a comment, let me know, and stay tuned for what I do next to this. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Bye.